focusing on you, the future of medicine, today. From your team of experts at UHealth, the University of Miami Health System.
Gonzalez's life changed in an instant when he suffered severe sudden back pain.
It started building up really quick, and he got my attention when I can feel my legs.
Red suffered an aortic dissection and called 911. Dr. Jean Panneton, an internationally renowned vascular surgeon at UHealth, says the aorta provides circulation to the entire body.
It's the most important organ of the body because it's like the water main of the house. So aortic dissection is when your blood pressure gets too high, or maybe you're born with some anomaly in how your aortic wall is built and it tears. When it dilates too much, it becomes a large aneurysm and then it can rupture. A delay in diagnosis and a delay in treatment can be lethal.
Dr. Panneton brings his 30-plus years of expertise to UHealth as co-director of the new Comprehensive Aortic Program. The mission is to bring highly specialized aortic procedures to South Florida and the Americas.
It's a whole team effort of different specialists that are really dedicated to providing compassionate, excellent care for aortic patients.
The UHealth Comprehensive Aortic Program provides a patient-centered, multidisciplinary approach.
Mostly it tends to be cardiac surgery, vascular surgery, structural heart cardiologists as well. You need cardiovascular anesthesia. You need specialized cardiovascular critical care as well, because it's not just doing the procedure, but it's really planning it, having the proper imaging to plan it, and then taking care of those patients in the ICU post-operatively.
I'm blessed, and I'm grateful for everything that he done.
Dr. Panneton performed a complex thoracic aortic repair. Red has one more surgery to go and says he is ready.
This is my birthday present right here. Let it go. And trust technology and trust your doctors.